It's funny because, like, let's say the same thing happened to Coca-Cola, you'd probably have the same, like if their stock price suddenly fell, people would be like, oh, is this the end of the Coca-Cola brand?
Yeah, it would be easy
And
to
it's
say
like,
that,
oh,
right? They've
no.
had their run. They've had their 100 and whatever year run. It's time, move aside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be easy to say.
Yeah, it's fine. It's still going to be here. It's just maybe people aren't willing to pay like 30x or 35x for it.
Right. The premium is lost, right? Like, cause like it's like Coke and Pepsi still get a premium right now, right? Because the brand name, and Nike had that premium, and it's losing.
Yeah. And I think there is a difference between, paying that premium for it 30 years ago when they were still growing pretty fast compared to today, where you're getting like that very small, like single digit, if you're lucky, kind of.
Right.
And I don't know if
go ahead, sorry.
I don't know if they have the pricing power either, where they kind of deserve that premium too. I don't know if they had it like they once did.
Right. But the story can change quick if they sign some super hot athletes, the next biggest thing, like the next Jordan, the next LeBron, down the line, they could that premium could come right back. So
because it is perception, right? People would then be like, oh, Nike is so back, and then
and yet another reason why these solid SEHD type stocks and dividend stocks are worth holding on to, because you're not paying that premium. You're not riding that like need to have growth, because growth is great when it's going. But as soon as there's a little nick in that armor, that story can run out really quick, right? Things change very quickly. So nothing wrong with growth as well. Like I invested in it too. Like if you're able to ride that roller coaster, good for you, because that will work out in the long run too. You just got to stick with it. Whatever style you take or balance of both growth and dividends sort of thing, just stick with it. Don't run scared when things get bad, right? You really do got to find the good ones and buy them when they're down. Hang on.
Yeah. For those in the chat who think that Dividend Dude is insufferable now, imagine if Nike did go up 50% one year. Just saying. It would be, Dan Weston would not be a happy fella. I'll say.
So is Dividend Dude a friend of the show or not a friend?
Dividend Dude is a friend of the show. We are a neutral ally. We like to, we poke fun at all sides here on the Cash Flow.
Gotcha. I know. I never know sometimes with you guys, right?
Yeah.
There's him and Dan Weston have also a friend of the show. They're feuding, so we have to be neutral. But
I love it. No, I like that you guys, you call people out, friend or foe, you call them out on, when you call it like you see it. That's fair.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Dan's a little old to be going after a fresh 19-year-old Dividend Dude, but that's okay. We support a good finance.
Right. Dividend Dude, he puts himself out there a lot, so he's
absolutely. I agree.
a target, right?
Yep.
So